class I am going to teach about how to implement XOR gate and XNOR gate using 2:1 mux. So previous video we discussed AND gate and OR gate using 2:1 mux. If you need it, kindly refer the video. Now we move on the session. So first one is XOR gate. I draw the symbol of XOR gate. So it has a 2 input and 1 output, A and B. So these two variable considered as a input variable. So Y is the output. The corresponding Boolean expression is A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. So it's a Boolean expression for XOR gate. So it's simply write A XOR B. So it's the abbreviated form of XOR expression. Then come to truth table. So it has a two variable, input variable A and B, and Y is the output variable. So it make a four combinations of input 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The corresponding output. So both the inputs are same. The corresponding output is 0. So both the inputs are different. The corresponding output is 1. So it's a property of XOR gate. So now I draw the implementation diagram. So it's a 2:1 mux. It has a two input I0 and Y1. Then one selection line. So S is the selection line, Y is the output. So here in this truth table I consider A is the selection line. So A is the selection line because it has only one change. So when A equal to 0, so when A equal to 0, so Y equal to B. So here B value is 0 and Y value is 0. B value 1, Y value 1. So when A equal to 0, Y equal to B. Then come to second case. When A equal to 1, so Y equal to, so B value 0, Y value 1. Just taking 1's complement. So complement of B value. So B value 1, Y value 0. Taking 1's complement. So Y equal to B bar. So when A equal to 0, output is equal to B. When A value equal to 1, output is equal to B bar. So A is the selection line. So when A equal to 0, the output Y equal to B. So I0 value is connected to B. When A equal to 1, so I1 is connected to B bar. So the corresponding expression is, so A bar dot B plus A dot B bar. So it's a XOR Boolean expression. So both are same. So it's an implementation diagram for XOR gate. Then come to XNOR gate. So first I draw the symbol. So it's a two input XNOR gate symbol. A and B is the input variable, Y is the output variable. The corresponding Boolean expression is AB plus A bar dot B bar. So it's a Boolean expression for XNOR gate. So then come to the truth table. A and B is the input variable. So these two variable making the four combinations of input 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So Y is the output. So just complement of this value. So both the inputs are same. The output is 1. If any one input is different, the corresponding output is 0. So it's the truth table of XNOR gate. So then come to implementation diagram. So it's a 2:1 marks, has a 2 inputs, I0 and I1. This one is the selection line. So as usual, A is considered as a selection line. So when A equal to 0, so when A equal to 0, so Y equal to, so when A equal to 0, Y equal to, so B is 0 and Y is 1, B is 1, Y is 0. So Y equal to B bar. When A equal to 1, so when A value equal to 1, in this case B value is 0, Y value is 0, B value 1, Y value 1. So Y equal to B. So when A equal to 0, output is B bar. So I0 is connected to B bar. When A equal to 1, this I1 is connected to B. So it's a output variable Y. Just make the expression A bar B bar. So A bar B bar plus AB plus AB. So it's a Boolean expression for this 2:1 marks. So normal XOR gate Boolean expression is A dot B plus A bar dot B bar. So both the expressions are same. So it's a implementation diagram for XNOR gate. So I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.